Hello, my dear little friends. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Easy Learning English. I hope you have learned to write block capital letters. If you haven't watched yet my previous video lesson on block capital letters, please watch it first. Today I have brought a new video lesson for you, how to write block small letters. So keep on watching this video lesson up to the end. If you like, please press the like button and don't forget to subscribe this channel and click to the bell icon to get all notifications of my forthcoming new video lessons. Okay, now let's start.
At first, take an English copy like this and a pencil, wood pencil. Okay, now we will learn how to write small letters. Okay, so look these lines, 1 2 3 4 and 3 spaces. Here is up, middle, down. It is called up space, middle space and down space. These spaces are very important for small letter writing. Okay. Particular space is used to write a particular letter. Okay, so we'll write in the middle space 14 letters. Look, half circle, anti-clockwise and standing line. This is A, next half circle, C, next sleeping line, half circle, E, next standing line, dot, I, next standing line, right hook, standing line, again right hook, standing line. Next M, next standing line, right hook, standing line, downward. N, next O, anti-clockwise, circle, O, next standing line, right hook, R, next anti-clockwise, half circle, again clockwise, half circle, S, next standing line, right turn and standing line, U, next left slanting downward, right slanting upward, V, next left slanting downward, up, right slanting upward, again left slanting downward, right slanting upward, W, next crisscross, X and sleeping line, right slanting down, again slipping down, Z. So here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14. That means these 14 letters are middle spaces. Look, middle spaces. Okay. Next, we will use up and middle spaces. Look, standing line, half circle, clockwise, B. Next, half circle, anti-clockwise, and standing line, that is D. Next, hook, right hook, left side movement, and standing line, and sleeping line mid, F. Next, standing line from the middle right hook and standing line, H. Next, standing line and the middle space, slanting right, slanting left, K. Next, standing line, L. Next, standing line, right turn and sleeping middle, that is T. So how many letters are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 letters are using this up and middle space. Okay. Next, we will learn another 5 letters using middle and down space. Okay, look, anti-clockwise, half circle, standing line, down and left turn, this is G. Next, standing line, left turn, dot, that is J. Next, standing line and half circle clockwise, that is P. Next, half circle anti-clockwise and standing line, that is Q. Next, left slanting downward and right slanting downward, this is Y. Okay, so we have learned block small letters. Okay, now we'll write block capital and small letters side by side. Okay, let's start. Capital A, small a, capital B, small b, capital C, small c, capital D, small d, capital E, small e, capital F, small f, capital G, small g, capital H, small h, capital I, small I, capital J, small j, capital K, small k, capital L, small l, capital M, small m, capital N, small n, capital O, small o, capital P, small p, capital Q, small q, capital R, small r, capital S, small s, capital T, small t, capital U, small u, capital V, small v, capital W, small w, capital X, small x, capital Y, small y, capital Z, small z. Okay, complete block capital and small letters. Okay, now see the block capital or small letters are similar but just difference in spaces. Look, suppose C, capital C and small c. Next K, capital K, small k. Next O, capital O, small o. Next capital P, small p. Just the difference only, space difference actually. Next S, capital S, small s. Next V, capital V, small v. W, capital W, small w. Next, capital X, small x. Next, Z, capital Z and small z. Just hear the difference of spaces. Okay, so now practice these letters in this way. Okay.
So here is the end of this video lesson. Thanks a lot for watching it. Bye.